All right. Now we will plant the plant. We usually say this plant, it needs about 30 centimeters deep to allow the roots of this plant to go further. But this plant doesn't have the tap roots or the roots which is a grass. So it will grow not far away from here. So in some other areas we plant this plant with some tap-rooted plants like the acacia, the spiritaceas, and etc. because they go deeper. This one just remain on the surface. And to plant this plant you need only 600 millimeter of water or rain throughout the year. So if you have got 600 millimeter of rain throughout the year, you can plant this plant. It can take off if the rain comes along. Alright, so in South Africa is only 2 areas which are known that cannot take this plant. That is the Southern Cape, where is the desert. You know the desert in southern Northern Cape. Other side of Kimberley, you go other side of Uppington, where is the desert. It cannot take this because the rainfall is lower than 600. And the other place is near the border of Lesotho because of the freezing weather there. It cannot survive those. But the rest of the country, as the researchers say, it can grow. Right. So now the hole has been dug. When you put the plant, it goes a little bit deeper. So what we do, you will put the soil back so that the plant itself is not too deep. We are not here to bury the plant, but we are here to plant this bamboo. Okay, I think this is fine. When you plant this plant, in the past you usually say make a circle, but in the bamboo we say don't make a circle, we make it a little bit lower so that whenever the rain comes, the hole or the depth which is left there can contain water. Alright. Then you put your plant right in the middle of the plant. Then you put the soil back. I've got my small done that, you just press to allow the soil to be compacted so that whenever you put water, it doesn't move the plant. Okay? And do you have grass somewhere? I saw in the car. Then you put this grass. When it's like this, it's no longer grass. We call it mulch. Okay, we are now mulching. You can use grass, you can use leaves, you can use newspaper, but we prefer much of the nature. If it's grass, it will turn back to become nutrition or manure or add up value to the soil in terms of compost. Alright, when you have done that, this is very, very important. You water your plant. By so doing, we have planted the bamboo. Then from here, we believe the nature will take its course, but it will need, if there is no rain, to be watered every few days so that it can adapt Then when it is adapted,